Okay. Before we start, I need to tell you something. Last weekend, I made a plan, a real plan. I wrote it down and everything. And do you know what happened?
Oh no, Sam.
I slept until 2 p.m. The whole plan, gone. Just gone.
Sam, you slept until 2 in the afternoon? It just happened, Mia. I closed my eyes for 1 second. Wow, this is already a great start.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Speak English with Sam and Mia. I'm Sam.
And I'm Mia. How are you doing today, Sam? And please, give me a normal answer this time.
I'm surviving. I had big plans this weekend and 0 of them happened. So I'm tired, confused, and a little embarrassed. But I'm here. That's something, right?
That is definitely something. I'm doing great, actually. I had a really nice weekend. Relaxing, productive. Maybe I'll tell you about it later.
Must be nice.
Okay, today, Sam and I are going to help you talk about weekend plans in English.
Yes, and today we have 8 really useful phrases for you. 8 phrases you can use every single week to talk about your weekend. Before it happens, while it's happening, and after it's a complete disaster.
Sam, not everyone's weekend is a disaster.
Give it time.
If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and comment below. Where are you watching from?
Let's dive in. Okay, phrase number 1. So, you know what's crazy? I used to panic every time someone asked me this in English. Like, full panic. Heart racing, sweating.
Why? It's such a simple question.
Because I didn't know the words. So one time, I swear this is true, someone asked me and I just said, yes. Just, yes.
You said yes to what are your plans?
I didn't know what else to say. Okay, the phrase is, what are your plans for the weekend?
What are your plans for the weekend? Say it again. What are your plans for the weekend? This is how you ask a friend about their weekend. Simple, friendly, casual. You use this on a Thursday or Friday. Like, hey, what's happening this weekend?
Mia, what are your plans for the weekend?
Oh, I'm going to visit my sister and maybe cook dinner together. What about you, Sam?
Sleeping. My plans are sleeping.
Oh, that's not a plan, Sam. That's just existing.
Phrase number 2. Okay, this one is very useful. So, I was talking to my neighbor last week, right? Nice guy. And he asked me what I was doing on Saturday. And I wanted to say I was thinking about going to the park. But I got nervous and I said, I am going to the tree area.
The tree area?
I forgot the word for park. It just disappeared from my brain.
Oh, Sam. The phrase is, I'm thinking of going to.
I'm thinking of going to. Right.
I'm thinking of going to. One more time. I'm thinking of going to. This is great because it's not 100% sure. You're thinking about it. Maybe you will, maybe you won't. It's relaxed and natural.
So instead of the tree area, I should have said, I'm thinking of going to the park.
Yes, perfect. I'm thinking of going to the beach this Saturday, actually.
Wait, seriously? Can I come?
No.
Why?
Okay, phrase 3, and Sam, this one is for you. Is it about sleeping? Kind of. The phrase is, I'd love to relax at home. I'd love to relax at home. Beautiful, perfect. That's my whole personality. I love to relax at home. And again, I love to relax at home. I love to means you really want to do something.
It sounds warm and natural, much better than just saying, I want.
Mia, what are you doing this Sunday?
Wait, you're asking me now?
Yes, your turn.
Okay, I'd love to relax at home, maybe read a book and drink some tea.
That sounds so peaceful. I'd love to relax at home too, but my phone always...
Don't blame the phone, Sam.
I wasn't going to.
You absolutely were.
Okay. Phrase 4. This one. I used this phrase wrong for so long. I thought hang out meant like hanging something on a wall? Like a picture? Or laundry?
Wait, you thought hangout meant laundry?
It sounds like it. I swear it sounds like it. So I once asked my friend, do you want to hang out your clothes this weekend? And they looked at me like I had 3 heads.
Samuel.
I know. The phrase is, do you want to hang out this weekend?
Do you want to hang out this weekend? And again, do you want to hang out this weekend? Hang out means to spend time with someone, just for fun. It's very casual and friendly. We use it all the time between friends.
Mia, do you want to hang out this weekend?
Sure. Let's get coffee, maybe.
Yes, finally! She said yes, everyone, mark the date.
I said coffee, not a party, Sam. Phrase 5. And honestly, this is one of the best feelings when you have absolutely nothing to do.
Oh, yes.
The phrase is, I have no plans. I'm free all weekend.
I have no plans. I'm free all weekend. Say it with joy. Really feel it.
I have no plans. I'm free all weekend. And one more. I have no plans. I'm free all weekend. Free here means available. No work, no appointments, no responsibilities. Just you and your weekend.
Can I just say something? The weekend I slept until 2 p.m., I had no plans. I was completely free all weekend, and honestly, it was the best weekend of my life.
That's both sad and beautiful.
I know. Okay, phrase 6. Short, simple, beautiful. We could go for a walk.
We could go for a walk. Slowly. We could go for a walk. Could makes it a soft suggestion. You're not demanding, you're just offering an idea. Very polite and very natural between friends.
So, last weekend, well, the one before the sleeping disaster, my friend asked what we should do. And instead of saying we could go for a walk, I said, let us travel by feet to a nearby location.
What?
I panicked. The words just came out wrong.
Travel by feet to a nearby location. Sam, that's a walk. That is a walk.
I know that now.
Okay, we could go for a walk. Try it with me.
We could go for a walk in the park this Sunday.
That sounds perfect. I'd love that. Phrase 7. This one shows excitement. I'm looking forward to the weekend.
I'm looking forward to the weekend. Yes, the energy, the feeling.
I'm looking forward to the weekend. One more time. I'm looking forward to the weekend. Looking forward to means you're excited and happy about something in the future. It's a very warm, positive phrase.
You know what's crazy? I say this every single Thursday. Every Thursday, I'm looking forward to the weekend. And then the weekend comes, and I do absolutely nothing.
That is genuinely the saddest thing you've ever said.
And yet, I'm looking forward to next weekend already.
Incredible.
Okay, final phrase. Phrase 8. This one is for Monday, when the weekend is over and you're back to real life.
The phrase is, how was your weekend?
How was your weekend? Say it. How was your weekend?
How was your weekend? And again, how was your weekend? This is a classic Monday morning question. You ask a coworker, a classmate, a friend, how was your weekend? Simple, friendly, and it starts a great conversation.
Mia, how was your weekend?
It was really lovely. I went to the market, cooked a big dinner, and slept really well. How was yours, Sam?
I slept until 2 p.m.
We are back to the beginning.
Full circle, everyone. Full circle.
Okay, practice time. Say each phrase out loud with us. Ready?
Come on. Say it with us. Don't be shy.
Number 1. What are your plans for the weekend?
Say it. Come on.
Number 2. I'm thinking of going to...
Yes, you've got this.
Number 3. I'd love to relax at home.
Ah, that felt good, right?
Number 4. Do you want to hang out this weekend?
Not hang out your clothes. Just hang out. Just to clarify.
Number 5. I have no plans. I'm free all weekend.
Freedom.
Number 6. We could go for a walk.
Not travel by feet to a nearby location. Just a walk.
Number 7. I'm looking forward to the weekend.
Every Thursday, baby.
And number 8. How was your weekend?
Beautiful. Amazing. You did it.
Now, write one sentence in the comments using any of these phrases. Tell us your real weekend plans. We read every single comment.
And if your plan is sleeping until 2 p.m., that is also valid. I support you.
Okay, before we go, I just want to say something to everyone watching. Learning English is not easy. Some days feel hard. Some days you forget words. Some days you say tree area instead of park.
Whispers. That was one time.
And that is completely okay. Every mistake is proof that you are trying. And trying is everything. You showed up today, you practiced, you listened, and that makes you braver than you think. Keep going. We are so proud of you.
Wow. Mia, that was actually really beautiful.
Don't get emotional, Sam.
Too late. Too late, Mia.
Okay, everyone. If this video helped you, please give it a like, share it with a friend who is learning English, subscribe so you never miss us, and comment your weekend plans below.
And hey, one last thing. This weekend, I have a plan. A real plan. I wrote it down again.
What's the plan, Sam?
I'm going to set 3 alarms so I don't sleep until 2 p.m.
That's growth, actually.
I know I'm growing. Okay, everyone. See you in the next one. Bye. I'm probably going to sleep until 2 p.m.
I heard that. Bye, everyone.